Do you need more storage in your Tesla Model Y without cluttering your trunk? This is a simple and fast review of the Tesery side trunk boxes for the Tesla Model Y. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. All right, so I'm going to just kind of show you that there's really two parts to this. There's the the covers to these, which are going to be, no, I'm not doing a great job, easy to kind of access with this little piece to lift, and they should fit on each side on top. And then of course there's the actual pieces that go in, and I'm just going to slide this out of the way. So these will go into the compartments, and they're rubberized, as you can tell. So I'll show you the kind of rubber up close. Interior is a little different. You may need to kind of wipe them down if you're, like that. But they should fit. And then, basically this will just fit right on top. And we'll show you in the car so you have a better feel. But just want to kind of share what they look like up close first, and show you what the inside is. Again, you may just want to wipe this down first. All right, so as you can see, it slides in really perfectly. You kind of have to push it in from the inside to make it fit. It doesn't just drop in, which is good because it's a tight seal. But it's beautiful. I mean, it's just really perfect because that way you can store, you can pour bottles, you can put, liquid stuff in there if needed, and you can even put ice in there, and it's something that you could take out afterwards. So a really nice difference compared to kind of, let me just show you what one looks like empty. So as you can see, it's just filthy in there, and I can't do anything but vacuum it, and it's a really hard situation to try and get into this space and vacuum. As opposed to this, I can just yank out now and dump, wash out, and put back in. So love that. And then as these things go, they're literally just going to slide right in and be able to move out as needed. So love it. Absolutely love everything about this so far. And that's the final piece. Once you put this back on, this creates an opportunity to just kind of stay on top. You can remove, load up your stuff, and then just cover, which gives you more space, but more importantly, protection for whatever's in there. So I can't recommend this enough. Definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped you, and thanks for watching.